1:29 p.m.
Hey Google, what's the temperature outside?
In Dhaka, it's currently 32 degrees.
Hey Google, how's the weather today?
Today in Dhaka, it'll be mostly sunny, with a forecast high of 33 and a low of 20. Right now it's 32 degrees with haze.
Hey Google, how's the traffic condition outside?
There's heavy traffic in Dhaka 12:15.
Hey Google, do I have any meeting today?
Sorry, I can't find anything on your calendar for then.
Hey Google, play some music on Spotify.
Sure, music on Spotify. Here you go.
Hey Google, skip forward 20 seconds.
Was where you are now. How do I love again?
Hey Google, increase volume by 10%. Stop. Hey Google, turn off office flavor. Hey Google, turn on office flavor and change the color to white. Hey Google, play some video on YouTube.
Alright, playing recommended YouTube videos.
Hey Google, skip forward 30 seconds.
무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다입니다.
그 옛날에 어릴 때 하는 거 말이야.
Stop. Hey Google, thank you, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
10 a.m. tomorrow.
Got it. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Good night.